In the Millikan oil drop experiment, we had observed that a stationary oil drop was studied with the help of a microscope, and there were two forces acting on the oil drop. One was the electrical force Fe equal to Ee, and another one was the gravitational force Mg. Now we will see from this how we will calculate the charge and mass of the oil drop. So from here, if the oil drop is stationary, then the upwards force Fe and the downward force Fg must be equal. So from here we can see that E equal to Mg by capital E. Now the charge in this oil drop is due to the electron. And mass, that is M, is the mass of the oil drop. Now in this formula we know the mass of oil drop, we know the value of G, and the electric field is also known. So E can be easily calculated. The charge of the electron was calculated to be minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. This is not exactly 1.6, there are many numbers after this, but this is the widely accepted value. And since electron is negative, so the charge is written with the minus sign. It was also concluded that the charge on oil drop is an integral multiple of the charge of electron. That is, the charge of the oil drop is suppose Ne, where E is this value 1 into 10 to the power 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and N is any integral value 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the charge was found to be an integral multiple of the charge of electron. If we have the charge to mass ratio of the electron we had found out earlier from the Thomson experiment, it was 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kg. And now we have the charge of electron. From this we can calculate the mass of electron as E divided by E to M ratio. Okay, so E by M ratio is also negative. Since the charge of electron is negative, so this value is also negative. This mass of electron was calculated to be approximately 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This was the mass of electron and this was the charge of electron. With these two values, along with the cathode ray experiment, confirmed the discovery of electron. So, the electron was concluded to be the negatively charged subatomic particle, that is a particle present inside the atom which has negatively charged and a very small mass which is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. So, the electron was discovered, and in the next lecture we will study about the discovery of other two particles, proton and neutron. Thank you.